We see a lot of shooting stars and things out there, but nothing of that magnitude, nothing that bright.
Jamie Dalton stepped outside his Lexington home to find a fireball flying through the sky.
In the evening, I was just heading out to my work truck to grab some things I needed for the next day, put on the charger, and just happened to catch it at the right time.
The meteor, something you have to see to believe.
He was just like, you have to look at this, you have to look at this.
He ran inside to tell his wife Megan, but first a check of the camera.
Sure enough, it picked it up.
His motion censoring the door cam to record just at the right time.
Pretty cool to see.
According to the American Meteor Society, more than 140 sightings of a similar fireball were reported in states across the Southeast.
I thought it was really cool. I was actually upset because I didn't get to see it like in person.
For now, the video will serve as a memory. Even their baby boy can see one day too.
We'll have it saved forever, so we'll get to show him.